Hello everyone, I am Saidit and welcome back to my channel Saidit. In today's video, to compare the 4G plus aggregation test and the download test and the speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy M51 versus the iQOO Z3 mobile phone. As you can see friends, right now I am trying to use iQOO Z3. So let's see which phone will be able to support the carrier aggregation and which phone will be having the fastest speed test. So this is an extreme indoor type testing which I am trying to do in my studio room environment. I am trying to use the Jio SIM card during this time of testing. So in this way we'll be able to get to know which phone has got the faster download speeds and faster speed test as well. So first let me try to open the NetMonster application in both phones and show you the results, what the NetMonster application is showing, what kind of bands we are getting. That is what I am going to concentrate. Let me try to first show you in the Samsung phone. Let's see in the Samsung what signals we are getting. As you can see friends, on the top you can see clearly Jio 4G LTE 1800. So Jio 4G LTE 1800 I am getting in the Samsung phone. Let's see in the iQOO Z3 what kind of band I am trying to get in the iQOO Z3. I'm getting the same kind of band. As you can see friends, 1800 band, but there is no sign of 4G plus. So I'm not getting any kind of 4G plus. So no 4G plus is present in both phones using the Jio SIM card. So now let's see the download speed, which phone can have the better kind of download speed, by opening the Google Play Store application first. So I'll try to download the one game which is called the Hill Climb Racing, which is kind of only close to I think 57 MB size, not much big size it would be there. Let me try to clearly uninstall the game. I'll try to uninstall and I'll try to start at same time, both games downloading in both phones. Let's see which phone will be able to download faster. That is what I'm going to check. As you can see friends, in the Samsung and in the iQOO Z3 wise, you will be able to see it. Let me just slightly increase the brightness. Yes, now you'll be able to see the difference. So both phones are downloading kind of really close to each other. So same kind of bands they are trying to use, the 1800 band only. And I'm trying to use same Jio SIM only at this location. You can see that clearly. So slightly the iQOO Z3 has got slightly the 4G speeds faster, but there is no 4G plus aggregation in this phone, in this indoor location friend. That is another disadvantage. So you can see the speeds as well, how much difference we can expect between both phones if I try to do the speed test, which is a download test which I'm trying to do. So this is a really practical way to test which phone will be having the better 4G signals friends. So in this way you will be able to get to know which phone has got better kind of signals. There is a reason every time I'll try to do this kind of practical test only, which users should know before actually buying the devices. So make sure to check the playlist for the 4G plus speed test results. So this playlist will give you the clear idea which phone has got what type of speeds. Try to follow the playlist and that will give you the complete idea about the smartphones. So right now in the race is iQOO Z3 with 75% finished, and Samsung Galaxy M51 also slightly close to the iQOO Z3 only. As you can see, both phone signals also you can see clearly how much signal bars I'm getting in both phones as well. So first winner is the iQOO Z3 in terms of finishing the downloads fast. So this is what I can notice in this clearly. As you can see friends, 95 and 97%, 99% is finished in the iQOO Z3. So in the download test, the iQOO Z3 is a clear winner. That is what we got to know. So now let's test the speed test. In terms of the speed test, which phone will be the winner? That is what I'm going to check next. So Samsung is going to finish, and let me try to go back to the speed test. Let's open the speed test application. So in 4G plus aggregation, both phones doesn't have the 4G plus aggregation inside. Let me try to start at same time. Let's see friends, at same time I'm starting the both phones. Let's see which phone will be having. I'm trying to use only the Jio SIM card. So same Jio SIM card is present in both phones, and the speeds you can see slightly higher in the iQOO Z3 device when compared with the Samsung mobile phone. As you can see, slightly the speeds are getting kind of close to each other, but nothing much difference you can expect. As you can see, I think the overall the 4G speeds are slightly close to each other only in terms of both phones. That is what one thing which I did observe. So I'm not sure why the speed has been closed in the Samsung Galaxy M51 for some other reason, I think so. So I'll try to do the next time. So I'll try to do one more type testing. If it happens, I'll try to change the application to another application, maybe fast from speed test. Let's see what is happening. iQOO Z3 is detecting really faster. No problem in terms of the detecting, but in the Samsung phone it's taking kind of too much time as well in this phone. I'll let you use another application. Let me to use. So both phones I did install the fast application. Let's try again. So let's see whether in this test which phone will be the clear winner. That is what I'm going to check. So right now as you can see friends, the iQOO Z3 is getting slightly better results in terms of the 4G plus as well. That's good. 4G. So the speeds are kind of close to 5 Mbps of speeds so I'm getting in the iQOO Z3, and Samsung Galaxy M51 I'm getting about 4.2 Mbps of speeds. As you can see clearly the difference, how much you can actually expect between both phones. Yes, the speed tests are slightly faster in the iQOO Z3. That's what I'm getting, that kind of feeling. As you can see right now with this kind of test, you will be able to get to know clearly. 4.7 speeds, 4.7 Mbps of speeds we got in this iQOO Z3 as well. That's fantastic, friends. In terms of the iQOO Z3, that's really great. So 5.2, 5.3 we are getting, not bad in the Samsung as well. Not bad at all, as you can see clearly. So 5.5 Mbps. Let me do the same test again. Let's see second time. Second time, which phone will be the winner? Samsung phone or maybe the iQOO Z3? That is what I'm going to check right now. Let's see, friends, what will be happening in the second time of testing. Sometimes the results are kind of confusing if I try to do the test at same time. So both phones are kind of right now detecting, I think. So first phone to detect is iQOO Z3 at this point, as you can clearly see. iQOO Z3 is the first phone detected. That's good, not bad. And next we're getting right now 7.5 Mbps. That's really great in the iQOO Z3. 7.10 Mbps in the Samsung phone using the 4G data, friends, or using the 4G GeoSIM only. I'm trying to collect. That's really great. That's good, not bad at all. So maybe I'm trying to use, I think, same kind of server. I need to use the same server. That's not the server. I think that's only language, I think so. But overall the speed slightly kind of better in the Samsung phone sometimes. As you can see clearly the speeds. At same time I'm trying to do the test. These are the results. So now let me need to use the speed test application. Let's see whether the speed test application going to work in the Samsung phone or not. I think still there is no sign of working in the Samsung device at this point. As you can see, still it's getting loading. I just want to see in this Samsung phone how much speed test results I can actually expect. I'm not sure why it's happening like this. So let me change the server and let's see what will happen by changing server, whether we'll be able to get that possible or not. See, it's connecting. Sometimes it will happen, definitely, friends, sometimes, but not every time. So thank you, friends, for watching this. This is a quick difference between both phones. Unfortunately, I was unable to show you the results in the Samsung phone, but overall we did see the same kind of results in both phones as well in terms of the performance wise. So both phones, no 4G plus indoor condition. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Let's stay tuned for more updates. Bye.